WriteRealEstateBooks.com. 3 reasons every real estate agent needs their own personally written physical book. Throughout all of history, books have always held the highest perceived value. Flyers, brochures, and postcards hit the trash almost instantly. Social media posts are scrolled past to never be seen again, and even video may be partially consumed, but books will last on your client's bookshelf for years to come. Why? Because society places value on books because usually they are hard to write and publish, so they rarely get thrown away. As a result, you now have an evergreen marketing piece that gets passed along for years. Next, a book is the only marketing piece that becomes the value add piece in the center of all your marketing. You might have a huge social media following, a giant email list, or you're a great networker. But what do you offer your prospects? A free home evaluation? A free consultation? A list of properties? Instead, from all your promotional channels, you can make your book available for free with a ton of value and let the book do the selling for you. It doesn't matter if it's from email, social, YouTube, property brochures, text, billboards, bus benches, print, or online ads. Instead of sending them to a typical real estate pitch page, send them to your book and let the book do the pitching for you. You'll end up with much higher quality leads. And finally, a book makes you the authority in your space, regardless of experience level. You've never heard of anyone who's been featured in a newscast, popular talk show, or global podcast because they have a cool downloadable ebook, printed some brochure, or created a killer business card. Those just don't hold as much value. Yet when you show up to a listing appointment and you present them with your book, you are now perceived as an expert in your space even before they read it. Crazy, right? You also silently invoke the law of reciprocity. You gave them something of value, a book, even if it's your own book. And therefore, they are compelled to give you something in return, like the listing. Why do you think every other high-ticket industry professional like popular coaches, trainers, CEOs, visionaries, thought leaders, influencers, marketers, and politicians, just to name a few, have their own books? The answer is simple. It works. As a real estate agent, you are a high-ticket service provider. It's time to start acting like one. Learn how to write your own real estate book super fast, super cheap, and how you can even print as many books as you want for little or no money out of your pocket. Click to learn more.